Hi all, welcome to Kat's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make soup to make your belly smile. Okay, let's get started. First we're going to start with the coconut oil, and we're going to use 1.5 tablespoons. And this is quick and easy. Just put it in the pan like so, and let that melt. Stir. I need 4 arms. Okay, now after you've done that, you might as well get your celery. You need 2 celery stalks. You can put that in a blender. And 2 garlic cloves whole. Put that in the blender. And you're going to put 3 cups of water in the blender as well. So this you definitely want to do right away. It's so quick and easy. 3 cups of water here. 2 and 3. That should do it. Okay. I'm going to fill that up in a sec. My secret ingredient is 5 almonds. So put that in there. Okay, so I'm going to let that blend. There we go. And just for 60 seconds or so. Actually, while you're blending that, you can go ahead and put your 1/2 cup of onion, chopped onion, in your coconut oil. You can see that going in there, because you want to grill that under medium-low heat. Never like my heat high. So let that go, and then go back to the blending if you didn't finish. Okay. Pull the plug, because then you're going to dump all that juice. This is my vegetable juice, homemade. I'm going to dump it into a different pan, a big pot, and then you can go ahead and turn that on to heat that up, especially if you're going to add pasta to it or anything, or you can cook your pasta separate and add it to it. So you're going to make that hot. Alrighty. Getting there. We're almost done. So it's very quick and easy. Then to your vegetable broth that you made, you can add a tablespoon of, this is Himalayan Pink Salt, which is very good for you. It's the good salt. This is the whole salt that your body needs. It's not table salt. You can do that, and then you can add also a tablespoon of cayenne or whatever to your liking. Cayenne is very good for you too, very good for your heart. So I'm just going to get shake. There we go. Ooh, that smells so good. I'm ready to eat now. And so far this took what? Less than 5 minutes. And now, one last thing, all you need now is you're going to put some flour in with your grilled onions, and it thickens up the soup. So all you need is 1/4 cup of flour. Okay, let me double check here, make sure I'm correct. Yep, 1/4 cup of flour. I mean, more or less, you could add more if you like. It just makes it really thick. So you're going to shift that in, gently adding the flour to it. But you're not going to put all the flour in at one time. You're just going to shift it in a little bit. And then, this is my little secret, my little shortcuts, because I'm a very busy lady. And I try to make healthy, delicious food that are quick and easy to make. And shortcut it. Okay, so once you put a little bit of flour in, starting to get a little thick, then you want to add some of the broth that you prepared in with the flour and the onions. So you can get a scooper and do that. So you get your scooper, and then you just pour a little bit of your broth in with the onions. It smells so amazing. I can have this soup every day. And what's nice about this soup is that you can add fresh spinach to it. You can cook some broccoli up or throw the broccoli in with the vegetable broth. So I'm going to keep on adding some liquid to this flour mixture here. And it'll keep thickening up as I do that. So I've put 2 scoops, 3 scoops already. Here's 4 scoops. What you're going to end up doing is just dumping the onion, looks like gravy, with the flour and the onions. Actually, it is gravy, huh? You're going to be dumping it into your vegetable broth. Okay. I think that's enough there. So what we'll do is we'll move the big pan over to the front burner where you can see it. And I'm dumping all the onions and the flour. Oh, I use spelt flour. I'm going to show you the package. So I guess I don't need any more flour added. I may have used more or less, maybe 1/3 cup I used instead of 1/4. Okay, so you stir that. So this is the flour I use. Organic buckwheat flour. Arrowhead. Okay. And that's about it. You just let it get nice and hot. You can add what you want to it. You could add in some pasta, a little bit, a cup maybe. You could add falafel balls, cooked. You cook them first, grill them first, then dump them in. You could add some broccoli, some fresh spinach, or you can have it just like this. So delicious. Alright, that's it. So be sure to leave your comments below, hit the like button, let me know what else, other meals that you want to be able to make quick and easy healthy meals. And I will see you in the next video. Remember to be healthy and happy.